What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today it's going to be a pretty busy one. I'm about to roll out to the Studio Movie Grill, little meetup spot that we're going to go to just before we roll out to Tampa. I don't know how many people are going to show up. It's going to at least be 2 or 3 who's going to be at that part, and then we'll roll out to Tampa. I think over 40 people said they will be coming, so I know it probably won't be that many, but we'll see how many actually show up. I'm gonna try to do a few videos while we're there, but we'll see. Hopefully the weather will be good once we get there. It looks good, but I mean, Florida, it always looks good, and then it just starts raining, so we'll see. But let me go ahead and get ready, head on over there, and then I'll turn the camera on once we get there. Alright, so just pulled up. Right now it's just Franz and myself. A couple people said they are on the way, so we're gonna wait a little bit for them, see if they make it. Don't know how many really is gonna be here, but we're only gonna be here for about 20-30 minutes maybe, and then we'll roll out to Tampa. Alright, so we got the homie Ryan just showed up now. I'll put a link to everybody's Instagram either on the screen or yeah, I'll do that. Just showed up, looking good. Unfortunately, it rained on us. Not bad, but we're gonna have them water spots. Of course, got the homie Franz, he's here. But I believe that's all who's gonna be at this event, so we're about to head on out to the Tampa now. Alright, figured I'd get something quick on the phone. My camera is acting up right now, so I'm gonna have to figure that out, but we just got here. I'm not sure if you can hear me. Squad's out. Got some professional photographers here. But this is who we got so far. We're about to move to another location. Maybe a parking garage, just in case it rains too much. Okay. Making an entrance. Looking good too. He pulled right in perfect. Oh, no. Alright, so the lens was acting up. I just took it off and cleaned it, so it looks a lot better. But if it's bad, let me know. But yeah, one of the homies just rolled out, but we got somebody else who came in. I might include the other footage because I got it on my cell phone just because this has been acting up. But yeah, just getting here. It started to look like it was gonna rain, but it's not too bad. I was curious about the diffusers. Alright, so he has the 2018 Midnight Edition, and you see the difference. It's like it came stock with the blacked out, like this and this, that. I did not have that, and you can see, so that's a big difference. Also, I was thinking about getting one of these as well, a gurney flap type of thing, but if I did, what I would do would probably merge it into the actual wing itself, but we'll see. Pipes look pretty good. Okay, but look at this. Sheesh. White on white. Pretty low too. Definitely make sure you follow him. Make sure you follow him. Very sick. Of course you got Yaya. And make sure you follow him as well. So, good. Yeah, let me know which car is your favorite out of all of them. I mean, we can all squad, so ain't gonna hurt nobody's feelings. Just let me know. Alright, so looks like he made it out. I've only seen him online, but definitely check him out. Oh. Hear him scraping over there. See if we go. Mustang on 30s, I think. But yeah. Definitely looking clean. we're gonna have to move to where we all can be lined up exactly together. We know what you guys think. We usually don't see anybody with this gin at all, but I'm feeling it. Good little turnout. We still got a few that we're waiting on. Here go Mr. Fashionably Late.
Super fashionably late.
Gotta make his little grand entrance. But yeah, we're gonna be finding another spot soon because we're running out of spots to be next to each other. Originally we were just gonna move over here, but we're probably gonna go to the parking garage just in case because it may rain. So we'll get out this heat. All right, just made it to the next spot. Let's see how this lighting is.
The studio.
Next to it?
Studio Movie Grill.
Oh, Studio Grill. Studio Grill.
Yeah. Well, I guess it is good that we came in here because look at that. Yeah, we good. I might get a little misting, but that's about it. So we got 2 more people to show up. One person coming back, and then we still got Tampa Life to show up as well. So, oh yeah, thunderstorm. We was thinking about moving. Some people putting their windows up, but yeah, it's coming down. Oh, it's moving.
Let's see at night.
All right, we got Tampa Life showing up. Even more fashionably late. About to air out. All right, let's get him when he parks and airs out. It's a production every time. Telling you. That's gonna be you soon, huh?
Nah, bro, I'm still trying to convince myself.
Still? Alright, so we switched it up. Decided to come to the inside. So we all lined up. Still got a couple that we're waiting for. But this is what we got for the meantime. We're probably gonna do something with all the lights on. But yeah, that's all we got so far. That DRL strip is nice. Yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. Be better if these lights were on, but hey, still looking good. Alright, I think we're still waiting for one more, but pretty good turnout. Probably gonna do a video of us driving out too, so definitely stay tuned. We're probably about to talk about that right now.
Yeah, they're going to do a video, so they're moving towards the light over there, so you got this way, turning, and they get up to the top rock. Oh, it's probably the first. So
Okay, he's going.
Somebody need to tell him making his seat lower don't make the car lower. He be sitting there like this driving.
Of course. Yeah, it's supposed to wait for everybody, but we got. All right, here we go. Looks like we got him.
I gotta go up, right?
Yep, we're on the second level.
Alright. Yeah, I'm out in the stadium.
There we go. I'm about to say somebody's out of line, but that's random Altima. Alright, look who just showed up. Mr. Super late, not even fashionably. Now we got everybody. Alright, so the ending count, we got 10 Altimas and a Maxima. This is probably our best turnout so far. But like I said, definitely let me know which one is your guys' favorite out of all of the Altimas and the Maxima here. Oh, and we had a Mustang. Camera car. He's leaving. But yeah, so we're still trying to line up to do a video. Basically just everybody rolling in and out together. So I think we have somebody else about to leave here shortly. Yeah, let's see if we can get a good thumbnail. I don't know if we can get everybody in it. All right, so we are rolling out together. About to do a little video. Go ahead and let them go. We have another photographer, so he's gonna be the one, or a videographer. He's gonna be the one getting the shots. I'm gonna see if I can get the clip from him, see if I can get it added. But yeah, we all gonna have to be together, not letting anybody get in between us or anything. And we got 11 cars, so that's easier said than done. But let's see what we got. Alright, so he just hopped out. He's running down to get in line for us all to go through. So, yeah. We gotta just run this light. I mean, this stop sign. So we all stay together. I mean, it's not like anybody's coming, so. But yeah, let's see how it comes up. So we held up a little bit because there's a few cars going, so let them go, and then we all just gonna move. All right, we just got to the second spot, or third spot, about to eat. We done lost Franz because he had to go around because he couldn't make that dip.
Oh, Franz didn't make it?
No, he couldn't make it at the dip. There you go, he made it. So yeah, we good, about to eat. It's crazy. I didn't think we were gonna have all of us here, but we made it. Looks good. Yep, looking good. Lighting is a lot better, so definitely let me know which one is your favorite, or if you want to take pieces from some and put it on the others. Let me know which your setup is your favorite. That looks dope from here. What kind of wheels he got, but they look like they 20s or maybe 22s. Alright, for the squad, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. We just got finished eating and everything. We're about to head home now. So yeah, make sure you check the homies out. I'll try to put everybody's Instagram in the description below. I might not do it on the video. If I did, you'd have seen it. If not, it's in the description below. But yeah, so definitely make sure check the homies out. If you guys are interested in more of these events, definitely let me know. We're probably gonna take a little break with Florida being so crazy right now, but we will be going back to business here hopefully soon. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace. Alright, so you probably won't have the best picture of this, but